You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, the name of this German physicist and mathematician. If you want to learn more names of scientists from math in particular, make sure to stay tuned. The German pronunciation first, Rudolf Clausius. So it's not Clausius or Clausius, Clausius. Clausius, Rudolf Clausius. Therefore in English, Rudolf Clausius. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.